For the internet, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a video, a vlog today. So yeah, we're just doing this vlog Saturday, and still got these in my hair. Need to take them out. We have my angel over here. Can't see her, but there she is. Can you see her now? Can you see her now? Can you not see her? Probably can. But she's over there. We've actually finna eat breakfast. Well, she's about to eat breakfast. I ate my breakfast. And since we're at the breakfast table, I'm just gonna really quickly take my hair down because the point of not having my hair out for the full day.
Hey, Mom. Mom.
So you might hear like stuff in the background. This is like a vlog. So you can't, that's what you're supposed to hear. We're just supposed to hear silence, and not today. My contacts are not in right now. Just kidding, these are just glasses that I put on sometimes. Because it makes her laugh and it makes her eat sometimes. So you can see that these are some very good ones. I will recommend these. And like, comes in the description. Or you can get them, or where I at least found them. Yeah, we're gonna have to like sometimes today go outside and hook up Angel's bottom car seat. Oopsies. The bottom of our car seat, because our car seat hasn't been hooked up yet. We just got the car seat top and bottom a few days ago, and just kind of my auntie kind of gave it to us though, like, and then we got like a brush for her and some other things from my aunt. My aunt's the bomb. She helps me a lot with her. These are my grannies. So if you guys don't know that, these are my grannies. These are my grannies. They're much easier to take down because you have this around it. They have like this soft kind of texture. Oh my god, this soft little, fabric, I guess, around them. My granny put a lot of these in my head. And I got my hair done yesterday. You guys like it? So I'll show you it better when I comb it or something. When I get them all out. But here, let me show you what Angel's wearing real quick. This is Angel Buck, if you haven't known her. So this is what she's wearing today. We have some blue and white socks on. We have these pants on. They're from Baby RS, and then we have this shirt on, which is from the mall. Okay. And then right now she's sitting in her boppy right now, which I'm super proud of her for. It's a very big accomplishment because since this is like her second time sitting in it, because last night I did a video on what we all got her. And yeah, we actually found out that my auntie did not put those in. She purposely put those in just because it was such a good brush and she wanted me to have it. So,